Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be preparing my mom's grilled eggplant curry. This is a South Indian version. We call this as Kathirikka Sutta Bajji. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We'll be using eggplant. I've used approximately 350 grams of eggplant. I've reserved finely chopped onion, tomato and chili. We'll also require curry leaves. We'll require asafoetida, tamarind pulp. For the tempering, we'll be using mustard seeds, cumin seeds and black gram dal. I'll also be using chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So I'm prepping the eggplant first. I'll be grilling this on the stove top. Traditionally, they would have grilled this on coals or on wood fire. I'm just piercing holes all over the eggplant using a sharp skewer. We need to grill this on the stove top. So we just want the eggplant to be roasted, not burnt. We can also grill the eggplant in the oven. So my mother is directing me how to prep the eggplant to be grilled on the stove top. I applied little bit of oil all over the eggplant. And I've placed skewers for me to handle it easily while I'm grilling it. So now when I place this on the stove top, it will be easy for me to handle it. I kept turning it every few seconds and I've roasted this on low to medium flame. Only the skin should start burning and it should have that blisters, but the eggplant inside should cook well and it should have a smoky taste, not a charred taste. So I kept grilling this on low to medium flame and time to time I kept turning it. You can see how the blisters have formed. We'll have to apply few drops of oil all over the skin of that eggplant, otherwise it will not form blisters. It has to get cooked. It is sort of like a plastic and rubbery sort of texture, so it has to get cooked. So that's the reason we apply a little bit of oil all over it. Once the eggplant is cooked inside, the skewers will automatically start coming out and it will be very tough for you to handle it and turn it. Once the eggplant has grilled, it will start forming a lot of blisters and it will become very difficult for us to turn it time to time and roast it. So that is when, once it becomes soft, place a pot of water next to you and transfer the eggplant directly to the water and remove all the skewers and allow it to sit in the water for at least 10 minutes. The eggplant has to cool down a bit and it will be easy for us to remove the skin. So allow it to sit in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I've started to peel the skin. It will be easy for us to peel the skin. Just check if it's too hot, allow it to cool down and then you can peel the skin. I'm just removing the skin as much as possible because we don't want the charred skin. These eggplants were from a local farm. My neighbor gave me. She had harvested it recently. So we received a bunch of these and I prepared few recipes. I'll be posting it time to time. So now the eggplant is clean. I'll wash it twice. We need to remove the cap part and chop it into pieces. A few portions of that eggplant would have not cooked well, so we need to recook it. I'll cook this eggplant in the masala. Now that I've removed that cap, I'll roughly chop it into chunks. Now the eggplant is ready. It's nice and soft. I've placed a wok on medium flame. For the masala, I've added 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, we'll add the mustard seeds, cumin seed, and black gram dal. We'll allow the mustard seeds to splutter. This will add good aroma to your curry once you add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. The mustard seed should splutter and it should stop spluttering. That is when we'll add the other ingredients. So now I'll add the tomato, onion, chilies and curry leaves. I'll fry all these ingredients. Allow the onion and tomato to soften a bit. So I'll place a cover and allow it to soften a bit. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be posted in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video, which would be easy for you to bookmark and prepare the recipe. So do visit my blog. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now I've added chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, asafoetida and salt. I've added coarse salt and fried the masala. I've allowed the masala to cook for a minute's time and the oil to separate. We'll add the chopped eggplant. We need to cook the eggplant in this masala. You would have to check for salt and add salt as per your taste. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. So now I've added enough water for the eggplant to cook and I've also added 1 cup of water and the tamarind pulp. We have checked and added salt as per taste. I'll stir all these ingredients and allow the eggplant to cook. So this stores very well since it's grilled and it stores very well. It has got that good smoky flavor. Especially with the rotis, it was very nice. Pulka rotis. Now you can see the eggplant has cooked and most of that moisture has evaporated. You can check for salt and add salt because normally all these grilled products require a lot of salt. At this point the eggplant is cooked and it's nice and mushy. Once the oil starts to separate, I'll serve it off. We just need to add a few drops of lime. That is optional, it's your preference. I added few drops of lime and I also sprinkled a little bit of fresh coriander and served it hot. So this is South Indian style Kathirikka Sutta Bajji. We normally serve this with rice and dal. We also eat it with pulka roti or dosas. Now this Kathirikka Sutta Bajji is ready. I'm going to serve it. It's a wonderful grilled eggplant curry. Give this recipe a try friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served it. I've also served it with the rice and shown you how we normally eat it. So we normally serve this eggplant curry with white rice, dal, ghee, rasam, We also serve it with curds. If we have yogurt, we serve it with yogurt and rice and some papad or chips. So that's how we enjoy it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.